Question number 1. The primary site for exchange of gases in humans is. The correct option is option A. Alveoli. Alveoli are thin-walled, highly vascular structure optimized for gaseous exchange. Question number 2. Which part of the respiratory system is called the voice box? The correct option is option B. Larynx. The larynx contains vocal cords and is involved in sound production. Question number 3. The volume of air inspired or expired in a normal breathing is called. The correct option is option B. Tidal volume. Tidal volume is about 500 ml in a normal adult during quiet breathing. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a function of the respiratory system? The correct option is option C. Production of red blood cells. RBC are produced in the bone marrow, not by the respiratory system. Question number 5. Oxygen is transported in blood primarily in the form of. The correct option is option C. Bound to hemoglobin. 97% of oxygen is carried by hemoglobin as oxyhemoglobin. Question number 6. The respiratory pigment in humans is. The correct option is option C. Hemoglobin. Question number 7. The process of cellular respiration takes place in. The correct option is option C. Mitochondria. Question number 8. CO2 is mostly transported in blood in the form of. The correct option is option C. Bicarbonate ion. Question number 9. The enzyme that converts CO2 and H2O into carbonic acid is. Correct option is option C. Carbonic anhydrase. Question number 10. Which muscle helps in normal inspiration? The correct option is option C. Diaphragm and external intercostals. Question number 11. Which structure prevents the entry of food into the windpipe? The correct answer is option C. Epiglottis. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure that covers the glottis during swallowing. Question number 12. In humans, respiration is regulated by the respiratory center located in the. Correct option is option C. Medulla oblongata. Question number 30. Which of the following is a passive process during normal breathing? The correct option is option D. Aspiration. Normal aspiration occurs due to relaxation of muscles and is passive. Question number 14. The maximum volume of air a person can exhale after a forced inspiration is. The correct option is option B. Vital capacity. Question number 15. Which gas has the highest affinity for hemoglobin? Correct answer is option C. CO, carbon monoxide, binds 200 to 250 times more strongly than oxygen. Question number 16. The normal respiratory rate in a healthy adult is. The correct option is option A, 12 to 16 breath per minute. Question number 17. The partial pressure of oxygen in alveoli is approximately. The correct option is option A, 104 mm/g. Question number 18. Bohr effect is associated with. The correct option is option B, oxygen unloading due to high carbon dioxide. Question number 19. The primary respiratory surface in humans is. The correct option is option C, alveolar membrane. Question number 20. Which of the following disease is caused by the collapse of alveoli? The correct option is option B, emphysema. Question number 21. The conducting part of the respiratory system includes all except. The correct option is option C, alveoli. It is not a conducting part, it is a respiratory part which help in respiration. Question number 22. Oxygen distribution from hemoglobin is favored by. The correct option is option C, high CO2 concentration. Question number 23. Respiratory quotients of carbohydrate is. The correct option is option C, 1. Question number 24. The structure connecting the pharynx and larynx is. The correct option is option B, glottis. Question number 25. The exchange of gases at the alveoli occurs through. The correct option is option C, simple diffusion. Question number 26. Inspiration occurs when. The correct option is option C, thoracic volume increases. Question number 27. What is the normal tidal volume in an adult woman? The correct option is option C, 500 ml. Question number 28. The amount of air that remains in the lungs after forced expiration is. The correct option is option C, residual volume. Question number 29. The respiratory center responds mainly to. The correct option is option B, CO2 concentration. Question number 13. Hemoglobin can carry how many molecules of oxygen? The correct option is option C, 4. One hemoglobin molecule can carry 4 oxygen. 31. Inflammation of bronchi is termed as. The correct option is option C, bronchitis. Question number 32. In which form is the largest percent of CO2 transported in the blood? The correct option is option B, bicarbonate. Question number 33. Which muscle contract during inhalation? The correct option is option A, diaphragm. Question number 34. Which of the following is involved in forced aspiration? The correct option is option B, internal intercostals. Question number 35. How many lobes are present in the human right lung? In human right lung, the correct option is option C, 3. And in the left lung, there is 2 lobes. Question number 36. In the oxyhemoglobin distribution curve, a right shift indicates. The correct option is option C, increased oxygen release. Question number 37. Which condition stimulates breathing? The correct option is option C, high CO2. Question number 38. Vital capacity is equal to. The correct option is option vital capacity. Option B, tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume. Question number 39. The instrument used to measure lung volume is. The correct option is option B, spirometer. Question number 40. Which of the following disease is an allergic condition of the respiratory tract? The correct option is option C, asthma. Question number 41. Lung surfactant prevents. The correct option is option B, collapse of alveoli. Question number 42. In pneumonia, alveoli get filled with. The correct option is option B, pus. Question number 43. Gaseous exchange in lungs occurs due to. The correct option is option C, simple diffusion. Question number 44. At high altitude, oxygen availability is low due to. The correct option is option B, low partial pressure of oxygen. Question number 45. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide in deoxygenated blood is. The correct option is option B, 45 mm of Hg. Question number 46. Hyperventilation causes. The correct option is option B, decreased CO2. Question number 47. During exercise, the oxygen demand of the tissue. The correct option is option B, increases. Question number 48. The shift of the oxyhemoglobin curve to the right is due to. The correct option is option D, increase in carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Question number 49. The total lung capacity is the sum of. The correct option is option A, vital capacity plus residual volume. Vital capacity means tidal volume plus respiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume. Question number 50. Which lung disease involves permanent enlargement of the alveoli? The correct option is option B, emphysema.